What's this about, Will? India demos new homebrew mobile OS. Is this the Indie OS that we were talking about previously?
Yeah.
A mere week after the Indian government officially teased the possibility that the nation could create its own mobile OS to challenge the dominance of Google and Apple, the Minister of Education and Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship has demonstrated just such an OS at work and endorsed it as the sort of OS that India should be doing. It's called, this is a new name possibly or a different competitor, Bar OS. Announced last week by the Indian Institute of Technology, reported to ship with no preloaded apps and to share no user data. Well, can you count on the government when it comes to privacy? Well, there's a question. I mean, they're telling you. No apps, no capturing of the datas.
Maybe this could be like a soft launch where it's like only government officials use the OS first as like a little testing ground, and then to the public.
Yeah, they can definitely, they can kind of strong arm it into government officials. They can just say, this is your phone, you're using it. Whereas the public is a little tougher to convince. It's reportedly based on a Linux kernel, but beyond that, few details have been revealed. Screenshots depict an Android keyboard app on one screen, a shortcut to the DuckDuckGo search engine. Well, yeah, it's got to be that because it won't be Google, plus design elements that look very familiar to Google's mobile OS. Well, 97% of the install base for smartphones in India is Google's operating system, so it's going to have to look a lot like it. For me, my question is, they say it's Linux. For me, my question is how much inspiration from Google's OS? You can see it has Android's keyboard there. And how close, if people do choose to adopt it, how much learning is going to have to take place? And also, what are they missing out on from an ecosystem perspective? See, that seems to always be the main issue.
Yeah.
How do you get apps developed for it? Does the government come in and subsidize ports of apps over to this device? Do they have to be approved in a different manner? It's a lot of questions, but there is the incentive for the government there seems to be wanting to move away from the reliance on foreign-owned operating systems and bringing more things domestic. I don't know that we have an amazing example of this globally.
China?
China has iPhones, though.
They have their own OS, right?
But China was able to convince the other powers like Apple to modify to meet their criteria instead of the other way around.
Didn't they have their own OS?
Well, I don't know.
Huawei?
Yeah, but Huawei claims that that's their own private OS. It's not the Chinese government putting their stamp on it.
Yeah, you're right. It's like a Chinese-based OS.
You can read into it. Well, I don't know. Well, I don't know what you're trying to tell us. Maybe you're trying to tell us something here. On to the next.
I'm not saying anything.
On to the next. Yeah, by not saying anything, you're saying everything.
Oh, boy.
That's right.
I'm dead.